kiteboarding on the Space Coast. Ride the wind and catch some air. If you've ever watched someone soar across the water, harnessing the wind like a superhero and thought, that looks insane, I have to try it, then welcome to the wild world of kiteboarding. Here on the Space Coast, we don't just watch rocket launches, we launch ourselves, off the waves too. What is kiteboarding? Kiteboarding, or kite surfing, if you want to sound extra cool, is the ultimate mix of surfing, wakeboarding, and flying a massive kite. You strap a board to your feet, control a large kite with a harness, and let the wind propel you across the water, sometimes at jaw-dropping speeds and heights that make you question your life choices. But don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Kind of. Why is the Space Coast a kiteboarding paradise? If you're going to try kiteboarding, there's no better place than Florida's Space Coast. Here's why. Consistent winds. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, the steady ocean breezes make learning and catching air a breeze. Endless beaches. Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral, and the Banana River provide wide, sandy launch spots and plenty of space to ride. Scenic wildlife. Nothing beats cruising alongside dolphins, sea turtles, and the occasional curious manatee. Just don't ask them for tips. How to get started. Thinking of giving it a shot? Local kiteboarding schools like 321 Kiteboarding and Water Sports and Good Breeze Kiteboarding offer lessons to get you up and riding in no time. Just be prepared to faceplant a few times before you master the art of staying upright. Love the Space Coast? Stay for more than just the waves. If kiteboarding steals your heart, and it will, why not make the Space Coast your forever playground? Whether you're looking for a vacation getaway or a permanent home by the water, I'm here to help. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, I can find you the perfect spot to store your kite, soak up the sun, and live your best life. Ready to ride the wind and make the Space Coast home? Send me a message. I'd love to help you land your dream home, not just your next jump. To search for your new home now, here is my website link. And you have an amazing day. Thanks so much.